My name's Matt Lamro. I'm the engineering manager for Tsugami and REM sales. This machine's key feature is a full 5-axis B-head. It's a 20,000 RPM spindle, 10 horsepower. You can mill and turn with the spindle. It has an automatic tool changer. It comes equipped with a 60-tool magazine standard. The main spindle of the Tsugami TMA8F has a 2.5-inch through bore. It's equipped with an 8-inch 3-jaw chuck. You can put collet chucks on it, face plates. Also is 25 horsepower main spindle. The sub spindle on this machine is a 6-inch 3-jaw chuck from the factory. You can also put collets or face plates on it. And that's a 10 horsepower spindle. A key feature on the Tsugami TMA8F is linear scales on the X, Y, and Z axis for super precision machining.